Good morning, students of class 9. Previous class, up to question number 4, we have done exercise 2.4. The last question is question number 5, that is also factorized. But in question number 5, the expression is cubic expression that you have to factorize. So, just see the question. 5 number 4, 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1, that you have to factorize. Quadratic expression factorization you have done in class 8. This is cubic expression you have to factorize. So how we have to solve? First, after taking this expression, we have to put y equal to 0, 1, 2 or minus 1, minus 2. By which value the expression we will get 0, that value we have to apply. So first we have started y equal to 0. We have to see that after putting the values of y, this value of this expression is coming 0 or not. So first I have put it y equal to 0. It's coming 2 into y cube means 0 cube plus 0 square minus 2 into 0 minus 1. So 2 into 0 cube means 0 plus 0 square means 0 minus 2 into 0 means 0 minus 1. So after doing this calculation, it's coming minus 1, which is not equal to 0. That means after putting y equal to 0, the value of this expression is not coming 0. Then we have to proceed y equal to 1. Now y equal to 1 we have put it in this expression. So what is coming? 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1. So 2 into 1 cube means 2 plus 1 square means 1 minus 2 into 1 means 2 minus 1. So plus 2 minus 2 will cut, plus 1 minus 1 will cut. So 0 we are getting. That means y equal to 1. So we can write y minus 1 equal to 0. In this way we can say y minus 1 is a factor of this expression. After doing this, what we have to do? By y minus 1, this value, we have to divide this expression. Y minus 1, if we will divide, first it's going by 2y square. So it's coming 2y cube minus 2y square. Then we have to change the sign. It's coming 3y square plus y square plus 2y square, 3y square minus 2y we have bring. After doing this, by 3y. So it's coming 3y square minus 3y, sign I have changed. After doing this, y is coming minus 2y plus 3y, y. Then we have bring minus 1. After that plus 1, it's coming y minus 1. We have changed the sign, it's coming 0. So division, you know that how you have to do, that you have done in class 8. After doing the division, we have to write this expression equal to, we know that dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means this expression we can write this into this plus 0. Plus 0 we have not written, just we have written y minus 1 into this. So the next line will be that y minus 1 into 2y square plus 3y plus 1. Plus 0 I have not written because there will be no value. So that's why not written. Now we have to do the factorization. Y minus 1 will be same. Now this expression is coming quadratic expression. You know that quadratic expression middle term how you have to do, or factorize how you have to do. 2 into 1 means 2, and from 2 how it's coming 3. 2 plus 1, 2 into 1, it's coming 2, and with plus minus the middle term we have to take. So how it will come? 2 plus 1, 3. So on that way I have done the factorization. Y minus 1 will be same. It's coming 2y square plus 3 will be what? 2 plus 1 into y plus 1. So y minus 1, 2y square. We have splitted the bracket, 2y plus y plus 1. Then y minus 1. From first these 2y I have taken common. So y plus 1. And from this 1 we have taken common. So it's coming y plus 1. So y minus 1. Now from these 2 y plus 1, and the remaining is 2y plus 1. So 2y plus 1 within bracket. So the y minus 1, y plus 1, 2y plus 1. Since it is a cubic expression, see that 3 products we are getting. If it is a quadratic expression, 2 products we will get, as previous sum question number 4. So here question number 5, cubic equation, so 3 products we are getting. That will be the answer. Now before starting the next exercise, exercise 2.5, some identities you have to remind, and that things you have to use in that sums. First 3 identities all of you know, that things already you have done in class 8. X plus y whole square equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. X minus y square equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. X square minus y square means x plus y into x minus y. Now number 4. From number 4 it's new, so that you have to remind. X plus a into x plus b means x square plus a plus b within bracket into x plus ab. Next is x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. How you will remind? xy, yz, zx. Next will be x plus y whole cube. X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. If we will split this line, that also it will come. So these both 2 lines you have to remind. X cube plus y cube, 3xy into x means 3x square y, and 3xy into y means 3xy square. Now number 7 is x minus y whole cube equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So if we will split this, what is coming? X cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square, minus minus plus. Okay.